Are your OBS screen recordings looking blurry or low quality? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, open the OBS Studio app on your PC or laptop. In the bottom right corner, click on Settings. Now open the Video tab. Here you'll see Base, Canvas Resolution. Set it according to your screen size. My laptop is 1920 x 1080. So I selected 1920 x 1080. Next, set Output Scaled Resolution to the same, 1920 x 1080. This is the main step to improve your recording quality. Now go to the Output tab. Under Recording, increase your bitrate. I use 20,000 Kbps for clean and sharp 1080p recordings. You can adjust it based on your PC performance. Finally, click Apply or Done. Your OBS screen recordings will now look much sharper and cleaner. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips, only on AB Tech Fix.